In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a free business website using WordPress, Elementor, and the Phlox theme. This is a perfect setup if you're a beginner, a small business owner, or anyone who wants a professional-looking website without spending money on premium themes or developers. We'll go step by step from the WordPress dashboard all the way to editing your contact details, so by the end of this video, you'll have a complete business website ready to go. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress and website tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress admin area. This is your WordPress dashboard, and it's where you'll control everything on your website. From here, you can manage themes, plugins, pages, and settings. If this is a fresh WordPress install, don't worry, you don't need to change anything yet. Just make sure you can access the dashboard properly. Next, we're going to install the Phlox theme. On the left-hand menu, click on Appearance, then click on Themes. From there, click Add New, and in the search bar, type Phlox. Once you see the Phlox theme appear, click Install, and after it finishes installing, click Activate. Phlox is a lightweight and flexible theme that works perfectly with Elementor, which is why we're using it for this business website. Now that the theme is active, it's time to install the required plugins. Go to Plugins, then click Add New. First, search for Elementor, install it, and activate it. Elementor is the page builder we'll use to visually design and edit our website without any coding. Next, search for starter templates. Install it and activate it as well. This plugin gives us access to ready-made business website templates that we can import with just a few clicks. Once the plugins are activated, go back to Appearance and then open Starter Templates. Inside the template library, use the search option and look for business templates. Make sure Elementor is selected as the page builder. Browse through the available designs and choose one that fits your business style, whether it's for services, consulting, or a local company. When you find one you like, click on it to continue. Now we move on to completing the setup. The Starter Template Wizard will guide you through a few simple steps, such as confirming the page builder, selecting default colors and fonts, and checking required plugins. Follow the on-screen instructions and click Continue until the import process starts. This may take a minute or two depending on your hosting speed. Once it's finished, your business website structure will be fully imported. After the import is complete, open your website in a new tab to review it. You'll see your home page, service sections, about page, and contact page already laid out for you. At this stage, everything is functional, and you already have a professional-looking business website online, completely free. Finally, let's customize your contact details and content. Go back to your WordPress dashboard, open Pages, and click Edit with Elementor on the contact or home page. Inside Elementor, simply click on any text, image, or button to change it. Update your business name, phone number, email address, and location. You can also adjust colors, images, and layouts to match your brand. This is where your website becomes truly yours. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to make a free business website using WordPress, Elementor, and the Phlox theme. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.